Hello everyone, welcome to our technical podcast. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting and important topic in software development called front-end versus back-end development. This topic is highly relevant for students preparing for roles like full stack developer, web developer and software engineer. So I am Rakshanale, an engineering student from Information Science Department. Along with me we have today Raj Mishra, who is an front-end enthusiast. Along with that we have Chitesh, who is an back-end enthusiast. So my first question is to Raj. So Raj, what exactly is a front-end development?
So basically, front-end development refers to a part of a website or application that users can directly see or interact. For example, button, images, menu, color, so and animation, everything which is on a user side. So that is a front-end part.
Can you give a simple real-world example?
Yes, whenever you open, for example, Instagram, so you see a post, story, like button. So that is one of example of front end. Basically, whatever there is present on user screen, whatever users see and interact with, so that is a part of front end. So that is a real life example of front end.
Yeah, that's clear. So my next question is to Chitesh. So now what is back-end development?
So backend development basically is the things which are working in the behind. So it handles several operations like database, authentications, then business logic, and all the data processing is done at the backend. So user usually cannot see that what is happening in the backend, but it is very important for the applications to function their properties.
Yeah, as Raj mentioned regarding Instagram, can you give a real-world example similar to that?
Yeah, sure. So when a user logins into an Instagram account, so the backend checks whether the username and passwords are correct. So that is the authentication. Then the comments, posts, all the things are stored in the databases. So backend is responsible for managing all the process.
So my next question is for both of you guys. So what is main difference between front-end and back-end?
So basically, front end focuses on appearance, design, and user interaction. So this is that.
So backend focuses on functionalities like server-side logics and database management. In simple words, front-end is what user sees, and the backend like what is the everything work behind scene.
So my next question is to Raj. So Raj, what technologies are commonly used in front-end development?
So for front-end development, mainly use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and popular frameworks includes React, Angular, and JS also. So these are the modern technology we are using for development of the front end. So
Yeah, great. So what about back-end technologies?
Yeah, so backend developers like me commonly use Node.js, Python, Java, PHP, and databases include MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL.
Yeah, that's great. So my next question is to both of you guys. So where do we see front-end and back-end working together in a real life?
almost every modern applications uses both. For example, Amazon, Swiggy, Netflix, and YouTube. So you can see that it has both front end and back end. So mixture of both front end and back end makes a full stack application. So
Correct, but front end displays content beautifully to users, as you said, while backend manages user accounts, recommendations, payments, and data storage and security.
So as you guys mentioned about full stack development, so what is exactly full stack development?
a full stack developer works on both front end and back end. They can design user interaction, manage database, handle servers, and develop complete applications. So basically, a full stack developer is which have knowledge about all the sectors like front end and back end. So he can create both front end and back end. So this is a full stack development.
So, adding to the things, full stack developers are highly in demand, as we all know, because they understand the complete workflow of the web applications. So yeah, this is full stack development.
Yeah, that's amazing. So my next question is to both of you guys. What is the future scope of front end and back end development?
So the demand of web developer is increasing rapidly because almost every business need a website and a web application. So for a future web developer have very great future. So we have a great future.
Yes, so full stack development is becoming one of the most popular career options in the software industry, and we all have created many projects. Would you like to explain anyone?
So for full stack project, in our major project, I am creating a project called Solvix, which is basically for farmers. If right now, if farmers want to plant the solar into their farm, they need to hire an expert, which takes a large amount of money from the farmers. But we are developing a full stack application which solves this problem. So in our applications, it gives the detailed layout where the farmers need to plant their solar and wind, and we also giving the financial detail. What, for example, like return of investment, whatever they are doing. So we will providing everything what farmers need. So this is our major project as like front end developer. So this is our project.
Thank you both for the wonderful discussion. Today we discussed front-end development, back-end development, technologies used, real-world applications and career opportunities. Front-end and back-end development together form the foundation of modern web applications. We hope this podcast helped everyone understanding the topic clearly. Thank you everyone for listening. Have a great day.